Thank you for attending this incredible TrueVIS range premiere event.
Today is such an important historical moment for Roland.
Today it's all about TrueVIS. Has become synonymous with quality, reliability, versatility.
Using Roland technology is absolutely crucial to making the car go faster.
We have the skateboarders here today.
Roland asks me and Raisa to make a design for a skateboard that they would print on a board.
Roland DG is committed to empower creativity and excitement worldwide. We look forward to your continued support.